Hey everybody, in this video I want to walk through a problem that I was having, and then I went to the forums and saw some people with a similar problem. So I decided to redo the problem and then show you how I got it fixed. So you're seeing a game here. It's just a little fun hobby thing to connect with my kids and have fun and such. So basically it's like a top-down. It's not the best top-down, believe me, I know. But just something fun for the kids. So I'm going to go in and play the layout, and we're moving around, and I shoot the tree, and it should have green particles, like to simulate leaves, right? Like flying off the thing. So it blew up, okay, gave me a thing, but it should have particles shooting off of it, and it doesn't. Now, in reality, the code is doing what I told it to do. The particles are firing, but you're not seeing them behind the object, and you're not seeing them behind this object either. Now, I call it object, it's a background, and this is a sprite, but it's just not showing up. So let me show you what I did to fix that. So I'm going to go up to my project library, and there's this thing called 3D Shape. Okay, I tried this. I had fun. I was trying to explore the tools 3D Shape because I hadn't programmed in Construct 3 for about 6 months to a year, and these 3D shapes were new to me. I never used them before anyways, so I was like, oh, hey, maybe I could do something with this, but not really. So I have it in my project, and I'm not using it, but it's still there. So here's what I do. I go over here. I don't know if you can see it on my screen, but I just hit the delete key, delete it, gone. It must be in some layout in one of my world levels sitting there doing nothing. I must have dragged it onto the layout in one of my 11 maps, but it's gone now. And let's go back and check out that layout. There they are. There's my particles. There we go. Beautiful. Now let's go over here and see if we got particles on this thing. Yep, we had particles. They weren't that big. There's this little rock. Let's see here. There's some particles there. Little particles there. Let's shoot that out of our way. Right now, the little Ewok can't see me. There, now he can see me. Boom. Okay, I just obliterated him. Oh, I know why. Because I was working on the ships. I have a space map too. And yeah, that was a misfire on the actual particle. However, that particle now works. Okay, so that's what it was. There was a 3D object somewhere in one of my layouts that I was using to just test things out. So for you, it might be a 3D camera or something like that. So just be mindful of that there's some things that are kind of happening whenever you add new widgets or new tools. I guess it could have different effects or that you might not be aware of. So that's a lesson. Thanks.